Which function below has a root at x equal to -1? Now, whenever the root is x equal to -1, that means that whenever we divide it, your remainder should be 0. And we're going to use the synthetic division for each of the problems, or for each of the answers. So let's try letter A. I'm going to use synthetic division, so I'm going to bring up my coefficients. You want to make sure that you're not missing any exponents. So the largest exponent is x3, then we have x2, x1, and then the number. So we're not missing any exponents, so we have 2, 5, 3, and 1. And I'm going to use my synthetic division. X equal to -1. Your x value is equal to -1. This is already equal to -1, so you want to leave it as is. We're going to start with the 0, and we're going to add. Multiply. -1 times 2 is -2, and we're going to add. Multiply. -1 times 3 is -3, and we're going to add. Multiply. -1 times 0 is 0, and we're going to add. Your remainder is 1, so therefore A is not an answer. -1 is not a root. So let's try letter B. So for letter B, I'm going to go through the same process. I want to make sure that I'm not missing any exponents. X to the 4th, x to the 3rd, x squared, x and the number, and I'm not. If you are, then you have to make sure that you place a 0 as a placeholder. So we have 2, -4, -8, -1, and 1. And x equal to -1. I'm going to start with a 0, and then I'm going to add. Multiply. -1 times 2 is -2, and you're going to add. Multiply. -1 times 6 is +6. Then I'm going to add. Multiply. -1 times -2 is +2. Then you're going to add. Multiply. -1 times 1 is -1. Then you're going to add. Your remainder is 0, so therefore -1 is a root for letter B. If you try letter C and D, your remainder will not be 0.